the littlest plumber. Drip, drip, drip. An endless torment in a world of giants. Our tiny hero faces a foe with epic proportions, a leaky faucet. The water falls like a slow-motion waterfall, a plumbing nightmare. But fear not, for even the smallest among us can conquer the mightiest of challenges. Armed with a wrench bigger than his torso, he begins his ascent. Up the slippery slopes of the colossal pipe, he bravely climbs. Each step is a monumental effort. He adjusts his tiny spectacles, a glint of determination in his eye. This drip will be stopped. With a mighty heave, he tightens the valve. A moment of breathless anticipation hangs in the air. Will it hold? Silence. The dripping ceases. Triumph! Our miniature marvel has saved the day. A tiny plumber, a giant success.